Hello everyone, welcome to suni'scraftistry. Are you interested in knowing how to make this beautiful flower? Then check out my video. So in this video, I'll teach you this petal technique with which you can try out all these different models that I'm displaying on my video. Any color combination you can use to make this beautiful flowers with the same technique. So without any further delay, let's get into the video and do this amazing flower. These are the following materials that you need. 2-inch square 7 pieces of orange color, 2-inch square yellow color 7 pieces, white color ribbon 7 pieces which are cut in 4 centimeter square, and this is another white. We need only 5 pieces which is cut in 3.5 centimeter square. Tweezers, this pollen that I have taken, center stone, and the leaves I have taken 2 colors. One is organza ribbon, another satin ribbon, both in the colors of green of different shade, each measuring around 7 centimeters. And you need scissors, needle and thread, and hot glue gun, felt sheet. So these are the main things that we need to begin with our flower. So without any further delay, let's begin the process. Showing you how to make a petal like this. To make different model flowers, you can make any model you want. So this is the basic petal that you need to learn to make different types of flower models. So to begin with, I have taken 1 square piece. This is the rough side, that's the wrong side, and this is the right side. The diagonal ends together like this. Again, fold it diagonally and make a small triangle like this. Here is which you need to focus. We need to fold it in this way. So here it should be sharp, here it should be broad. Okay, so when I place my tweezer like this, I'll just push the ends up and then I'll hold all these pieces together like this. Now again I'll place my tweezer on the ribbon like this and I'll push the ends back again. Here you have to make sure that all these 3 are in a straight line. Now bring these ends like this together. Okay, let's trim the ribbon ends like this to seal the ends. Okay, now let's trim the extra part. Be very careful when you use candle or lighter. Okay, now let's seal this end as well. So here our petal is done. You can just pinch in to give the shape. I'll show you another one. I'll show you with the yellow ribbon. Fold it like this. Then again. Here you need to fold it like this. Okay. Bring both of them up. So this is how it will look. Pushing the ends down by making sure that all of them are aligned in a straight line. Okay. Like this. Trim off these extra ends with the help of a tweezer. let's seal the ends and cut the bottom as well. Okay, so I'll quickly finish the other flowers and I'll get back to you. After you finish making petals, arrange them. We'll not be stitching the orange ones. I'll show you how to make a flower by using a needle and thread. Okay, so give me a moment, I'll just separate them. Okay, so now let's take a needle and thread and start this. Joining all the 5 petals that are 3.5 squares that we have taken. Insert it in the last petal. Adjust them. Okay, then tie a knot. That's it. See, so the center part is done. Let's repeat the same with the others as well. So this is how we get a center part. Other one. Here we are taking 7 petals for this. Adjust your petals when you pull the thread. Don't make it too tight or too loose. Then just tie a knot. Now let's start gluing them together. Apply little glue in the center. Place it over the white one. Keep adjusting the petals. You can take any color combination you want. Okay. Now before I attach this, I'm planning to attach some pollen over here. I've taken a few pollens. Apply glue. Like how I've shown y'all in the previous video. Be a little careful since the glue is very hot. Sorry for the background noise, friends. Please bear with me. Now here I'm going to place them like that. Okay, I'll have few more pollen. Now let's start arranging these. We are going to place them like this. Let's attach the center stone here. Let's take our leaves. So that's all, friends. We are done with the flower. See how easy and beautifully you can do it at home. Please do try it out, friends. You can make it in any way you want. You can just add a single layer of dark color or double layer like this, okay, or you can use rainbow colors like this. If you want to put it for your little ones, you can make simple ones like this. So friends, if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Suni'scraftistry. Share it with your friends, and please do try all these beautiful flowers at your home. Thank you for watching. Bye.